Welcome, guys. If you're interested in being an owner or buying a truck or learning more about how to keep your numbers better, track your numbers, make sure you keep more money, how to finance a truck, how to refinance a truck, or how to should you buy it with cash, or what truck you should buy or you should look at if you're planning to switch, or if you're thinking about buying, what tools to use to make sure you're running your business correctly and you're running your business as efficient as possible. We're gonna have a workshop on June 23rd, 9 a.m. here at the company at Aero Transport. Bring a friend, bring anybody that's interested in becoming an owner operator or it already is and wants to learn more. It's free. We're gonna hang out and talk business and talk industry, and there's gonna be coffee and some bagels. We're gonna hang out at the meeting room behind me. We'll make sure we have not only fun, but we learn a bunch of new things, and hopefully you will be able to get a lot of value from the meeting. So June 23rd, 9 a.m. Please RSVP at truckyou.com. It's truckyoo.com. Go to workshop tab, and you're gonna see you can RSVP on the website there. Just put your email. I just want to know how many people are coming, and we'll meet up on Saturday 9 a.m. Quick coffee. It'll be around an hour to 2 hours. We'll see. It's the first event, first of many. We're planning next one in September about different topics. So please let me know if you're coming. It's free, and we'll bounce ideas from each other, and I'll give you some resources to use. So 9 a.m. Saturday, June 23rd. See you guys there.